How to turn off voicemail on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off voicemail on Android. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your phone app on your device. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Now choose settings option. From the settings menu, you have to scroll to the bottom and locate voicemail option. Select it and now tap on advanced settings. So if you have turned on voicemail on your Android device, your number will be set. In order to turn on voicemail on Android, simply you have to tap on number, delete the particular number and tap on OK. And after that, your voicemail on Android will be turned off. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.